Hello everyone.
We are Group 7.
From BECE
1B. I'm Kent Ivan Weisman Franca.
I am Farlan Selim Bahamundi.
and I am John Laidiano. And I am Mark Johnson Canyanola.
And we are Group 7.
And today we'll be presenting our final project for C++. So our project is a simple soil classification system based on the Unified Soil Classification System, or the USCS, a widely used system in geotechnical engineering. So in geotechnical engineering, soil classification is crucial for decisions like the foundation design, road construction, slope stability, and environmental assessments. So that's why tools like these are useful for engineers and site investigators.
The objective of this project is to take the percentage values of gravel, sand, salt, and clay, then identifies the dominant component using if-else. Based on this, it classifies the soil according to USCS categories like well-graded gravel, well-graded sand, low plasticity clay, and soil classification silt. The program first prompts the user to input the percentage composition of each soil component. We use the basic CN and Cout for user interaction. So first, we input the percentage of gravel. Next, we enter the percentage of sand. Next, we enter the percentage of silt. Then finally, we enter the percentage of clay.
We then use the series of if-else statements to compare the input values. For example, if gravel has the highest percentage, the soil is classified as GW, or well-graded gravel. The same logic applied to salt, silt, sand, and clay.
So now let's demonstrate a sample run. So if we enter a percentage of gravel, which is the 45%, and the percentage of sand, which is 40%, and percentage of salt, which is 10%, then lastly is the clay, which is 5%. So the program currently outputs the well-graded gravel. So as gravel is the dominant component. So that's it.
We also added a do-while loop that allows the user to classify the multiple soil samples in a single session. For example, the user can type Y to repeat the process. Or they can type N to exit the program.
In conclusion, this program is a simple but practical tool for quickly identifying the soil types based on basic input. It's beginner-friendly and can be expanded in the future to include more detailed classification rules such as plasticity index and grain size distribution.
So that's all, and thank you for watching to our presentation.
We hope you find our explanation clear and informative. Support our channel and leave a like below.
Please subscribe and leave a comment below.
So we are again Group 7. Bye!